are going to love the 2020 Nissan Altima. The Nissan Altima offers advanced features to make life easier, and most of the features come standard. Combine that with the powerful engine, 6 standard airbags, and over 5,000 quality and performance tests, and you'll see the Nissan Altima is made to drive and built to last. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, keyless entry, remote engine start, Bluetooth, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes, cruise control, ABS 4-wheel, front wheel drive, rear defrost, AM/FM stereo radio, auto off headlights, child safety locks, trip computer, MP3 player, passenger airbag, bucket seats, power door locks. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.